All right, so I have partially regained my voice, so we're gonna do this warm up now. Very important. Your assignment you got yesterday. If you were not here yesterday, hey, if you were not here yesterday, you can grab a filled out copy. You get a filled out copy of the notes here, and the assignment right here. Make sure you have both of them. Okay. The warm up is like the assignment today, so make sure you're paying attention right now. I'm gonna teach you a little bit. Okay. The big difference about yesterday's notes and the ones before that is that it's backwards. So that's why we call it the converse. So let me show you on number 1 here. They want to find the measure of the indicated angle. Wait, before that, when's your next test? Not tomorrow, next Thursday. Headphone, please. Give me 5 minutes to quiet, please. Okay, now, on number 1, it says to find the question mark, basically, okay? Now, remember, if they give you one angle, it's either going to be equal to that angle or supplementary, where you subtract from 180, okay? Now, what do you think this question mark is going to be? 113? Okay. Now, here's one way we can find out. Is it in the same zigzag? It is, right? They're both obtuse, so they match. So they would both be 113 if the angles are, sorry, if the lines are parallel. So we'll say 113 degrees. Only if which theorem is true. Okay, so those would match and be 113 if these lines are parallel. So if these are the same, that would make these lines parallel by what converse theorem? So what kind of angles are these? Are they on the same side or alternate? What? Alternate. Are they both in, both out, or one in, one out? In or out? It's like a sandwich. They're in between. So that's alternate interior. Okay? Alt int. What do we know about alternate interior angles? Well, it's not S. It's not same side. Same sides are supplementary. That's the S rule. But we know alternate interior are congruent. So what we're going to write for our answer is alternate interior. Here's the key word. Converse. You can prove that the lines are parallel if alternate interior are congruent. So if that's 113, then yes, the lines will be parallel. Do you see how that's backwards? Hey, don't get your phone. Now, that's kind of an easier one. Now, you're going to have something like this. Now, everyone notice. Everyone listening. Try to make sure you your assignment, you're going to do which numbers? 1 through 10. Right here, I wrote it on the paper, 1 through 10. I'm saying it out loud, 1 through 10. So just do 1 through 10. You're going to have a couple of these, so let me show you how to do it. First of all, let's find the angled pair. Are these two angles same side or alternate? They're both to the right. They're same side. Are they both in? Are they both in? No, you. You. Are they both in, both out, or one in, one out? Are they in between these two lines? Is that inside of this line? Is that inside of this line? So they're exterior. Exterior. So we call it same side exterior. So write that down. Same side exterior. Now, we already know same side exterior, if the lines are parallel, will give you supplementary angles. Y'all remember the S rule? Same side are supplementary. S rule. Now, do I set them equal or do I add them up to something? What does supplementary mean? Equal or adding up? What do you think? Okay, congruent is equal, not supplementary. So instead of equal, we're going to add them up equal to what? Okay, everybody, you got to know this. Supplementary adds up to 180 degrees. Okay, check it out. We're going to take the two angles. So 24x plus 9. And instead of an equal sign, we're putting a plus sign. 7x minus 15 equals 180. That's what supplementary means. Add them equal to 180. Cool. Then, can you solve this? I have two x's on the same side, combine like terms. 24 plus 7 is 31x. Your constants, 9 plus negative 15 is negative 6. It equals 180. And you get rid of the loner. To get rid of a minus 6, we add 6 to both sides. 180 plus 6 is 186. And then how do I get rid of that 31? Divide, what's 186 divided by 31? 186 divided by 31. Okay, it is 6. Okay, so it is 6. And you could, in theory, plug it back in to get the other ones. But what is the converse? So what's the name of these again? What do we call them? Same side exterior. What's the little word I have to put at the end of it? Converse, because I'm working backwards to prove that they're parallel. Put it away. All right. So same side exterior, converse. Okay. Does everyone have yesterday's assignment? Do 1 through 10, turn it in. If you finish it and you think, I need to retake test 1 or quiz 1, come talk to me. We'll do that, okay? All right. Here we go.